The indicated operation in this expression is multiplication. So we're multiplying essentially two fractions. Now when we multiply fractions, the first thing we want to do is to see if we can do any what we call cross-canceling. And in fact we can. First we notice that we have a 20 on the top and a 4 times 5 on the bottom. So we can divide out the 20 and the 4 and the 5. The next thing we look at is the x variables. We have an x and an x that we can divide out from that fraction. We look at the y's and we notice that we have a y cubed and a y to the 4th. We can divide out a y cubed, which leaves a y in the denominator of this fraction. And finally, we look at the z's, and we notice that we have a z cubed and a z squared. We can divide out a z squared, which leaves a z in the numerator of the second fraction. We have canceled and divided out everything that we can, so we now multiply numerators and denominators. So we're left with an x squared, an 8, and a z, which I will write as 8 times x squared times z. That will be all over just simply a y because everything else has been divided out. So this is a simplified version of this expression.